Are you ready to become an email marketing pro in just 5 minutes? By the end of this video, you will learn how to build an email list, choose email platforms with the best email open rates, and craft highly effective emails that can boost your revenue backed by proven results. But who buys from email nowadays? I never do. Are you sure? Maybe you just didn't realize. Imagine we have clients to whom we are sending 2 emails per week and make more than 10k per month. Now let's start with the first topic. Why do you need email marketing? What will you do if your ad account gets banned and you can't run ads for weeks? Maybe email marketing? Would you like to chill in Bali and earn 10k per month just by sending few emails per week? That is also possible with email marketing. I just mentioned 2 reasons why you need email marketing, but here is a list with the most important facts. It builds your brand, builds your community, and helps you communicate new offers or products. Second, what tools you need? First, gather your email marketing essentials. You will need a reliable email marketing platform and a clean and updated email list. I have achieved more than 40% email open rate several times with these platforms. You can find free trial links under my video about these websites. Collecting email addresses is very important, but if you want to build your brand, avoid buying cold email lists. Focus on providing value to your subscribers. This is the key to forming a real email list. But how can you build an email list? Create an ebook for your target audience like this. First, go to Canva. Here you can find thousands of ebook templates. Choose one template and modify it. Then download it and upload it. Next, go to apps and click mockups. Choose one mockup and click on your uploaded ebook cover. And your ebook photo is ready. Make short videos that send your followers to your landing page. You can build a landing page using Go High Level, and it is also great for making funnels. Give it a shot for free with the link I have shared below the video. Or you can just run Facebook lead form campaigns without a landing page. With Zapier, automatically import lead details to your email marketing software and you have an email list. If you don't like ebooks, here is a list of freebies that you can choose from. The next topic is how to create an attention-grabbing subject line. This is the first impression of your email. You need to make it almost irresistible. A study shows that 47% of email recipients decide to open emails based on the subject lines alone. I will reveal proven tricks to create subject lines that beg to be opened. How can you write a good subject line using ChatGPT? Try this command. I just modify it quickly with the relevant information, and here is a list of your subject line ideas. You can make it shorter like this and you are almost ready. Here you can find funny examples of good subject lines. Also, don't forget to use personalized subject lines for best results. Based on a study by Marketo, they found that shorter email subject lines around 7 words tend to work best. The next topic is email content. At the end of this video, I will also show you the best practices for making money with email marketing. So let's get back to email content. I'm gonna show you a powerful technique called AIDA, which will help you to create almost irresistible email content. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Let's break down each element and see how you can apply it to your email content effectively. The first step in the AIDA framework is attention. Your headline should match with your subject line and immediately grab the reader's attention. For example, if you are promoting a summer sale, a headline like "Hot Summer Deals only valid for 24 hours. It immediately grabs the attention. Once you have caught their attention, it's time to keep them interested. Today I want to take you behind the scenes of a project that challenged our team in ways we never expected. The next step, you want to create desire for your product or service. Join 50,000 happy customers who have already improved their fitness with our training program. And last but not least, action. Your email should have a clear and compelling call to action. Whether it's upgrade now for free or claim your discount today, make sure it's motivating and easy to follow. And here's a bonus idea. If you're targeting business owners, don't design fancy emails, just use plain text. When it comes to cold business outreach, it's always best to avoid self-promotion, and the more personal, the more effective. For B2C, you can use well-designed emails. For B2C, I also created an example. I use personalization, a good headline, a call to action button, and you can add some reviews as well. You can get some inspiration from this website. You can find thousands of newsletters here. For more personalized experience, you can use Lemlist, where you can add your prospect's name to the photo. Also, you can create personalized landing pages, where you can add your prospect's name as well. Now let's talk about how can you make money with email marketing. It's not as complicated as it may sound. Let's start with the first one, which is affiliate marketing. You can partner with companies and promote their products to your email list. When they make a purchase through your link, you earn commission. Easy money, right? If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.